All right, here we go. Attempt number 2. I had just done this whole notebook for you, but it didn't record. So what you're going to do is you're going to find, you can wait to get the tape at school, but you're going to be labeling your math notebook that you will be bringing back and forth to class every day and home the days that you have hybrid. So if I'm in the red group XX1, I'm going to label it XX1, math, and then your name. If I'm in yellow, XX2, math, name. XX3 is green, math, name, and XX4, math, your name. Then you're going to open it up. This should look very familiar. And you are going to put table of contents. You're going to put page PG on the left-hand side, date on the right. And now you are going to start writing what we've done. The first lesson in math, we talked about standard and expanded forms, and I just guessed at the date 9/15. And then we also did rounding, and I put today's date. So go ahead and do that. You might need to pause the video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go 2 pages and start numbering in the bottom corner. 1, and then on this side 2, 3, 4, and so on. You can go as far as you want. But since page 1 is going to be talking about standard and expanded forms, that's what we're going to do. And you need to write these notes. So the standard form is written in numbers, 1,624,560. That's just standard. When I put in expanded form, I expand it. So I find the place value and how many millions are there. There's 1 million. How many 100,000s? 600,000. How many 10,000, 20,000? 4,000, 560. There are no ones, so I don't need to put a 0 there. You could if you wanted to. And if I do a number in written form, you're only using letters. So in this number again, it's 1,624,560. There are no numbers. Now I did tell you could use abbreviations, but if it was a test, you would actually write it all the way out. Today, the last Wednesday and Thursday, we talked about rounding. So now at the top of page 2, you're going to put rounding. So now when I go to my table of contents, I see, oh, page 2 is talking about rounding. There we are. So the number 12,863. If I round it to the nearest thousand, first step is to find the digit in the thousands. So it's a 2. Look to the right and decide if that digit has enough power to bring it, to change it to the next digit or to stay the same. 5 and above, you bump it up. 4 and below, you keep it the same. So you should be writing all this down too. You can pause if you'd like and then press play after you're done. So in this case, it's going to bump it up. The 8 has enough power, so it's going to make it a 3. So keep all the numbers before the thousands, keep that the same. So you're going to keep the 1 there. Change the thousands to a 3. So keep the 1, change the 2 to a 3, and then add zeros to the remaining place values. There's 1, 2, 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. That's it. This week you are going to do the next page.